how to hide and unhide snap charms. So if you want to hide your snap charms or unhide that, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and after opening your Snapchat, now you can go for the chats which is on the bottom left, and then you can choose any one of that chat that you would like. And after choosing, now you can go for the upper left corner which has their profile, and if you scroll down here on the bottom you will have charms, right? So you can simply tap on that charm, and here if you want to hide a charm, then you can go for the upper right corner of that charm which has the three dots icon, and then here you will have an option of hide charm. You can simply tap on hide and then you can hide that charm. But if you want to unhide that, then you don't have that option on Android. You have to do that on your iOS or your Apple phone. So on Android we don't have that unhide charm option, so you can hide your charm, but you also don't have the option of hiding more than one charm. So you can hide only one charm on Snapchat on one ID or one account. So that's it. That's how you hide your charm or unhide it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.